Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so now first off, we're only going to use one account of My Lead Gen Secrets because most marketers use multiple accounts. We only using one. The reason we only using one because you guys are beginners, and I want to show you guys the type of money you can make with just beginner type, just starting up, right? So as y'all know, we on day 78, somewhere around there, almost 3 months in this thing, and I made almost $2,000 so far, and we doing really well, guys. That's one thing I want to clear out. We doing really well. All right, so make sure the link is in the description. You're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification. Let's get started. All right, so first off, let's talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 business. All right, so first off, it's essentially, you get a lot of stuff with it, but essentially it's a funnel and a funnel builder, which is the main thing I feel, in my personal opinion, is the main thing you get with it. And the funnel builder is one of these things that you need to be successful online, immensely successful. This is your day job type money, you know what I mean? So this is your income type money. You need something like a funnel builder so you can build up an email list and mail them and so on and so forth, right? So yeah, it's essentially a funnel builder with no kind of limitations. You can have a 28-page funnel if you want. There's no limitations. It's easy to connect the domains together. It's easy to make subdomains. It's easy to do everything, honestly, and it's just simple to use with no limitations at all. Now, the most popular funnel builder out right now, I think it's still the most popular, is ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is $97 per month, and it has a ton of limitations, guys. A ton of limitations. It's essentially the same thing, but you can't make as many funnels as you want. You can't do this, you can't do that. Even a certain amount of people seeing your funnel will shut it down. All right, and you have to pay $300 to get rid of all that. You still got some limitations here and there, which is crazy to me. I can't believe I used to pay that. I'm glad I got out of that. But yeah, that's essentially the first reason. The second reason, and I think the reason you guys are most interested, and why I was personally interested in promoting this product, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. It's amazing. That's absolutely amazing, guys. 80% recurring commissions is building an income, all right, without that much work. You don't have to stress over. Once you get a certain amount of sales, they'll pay for your everyday life type stuff. Like for me, essentially that'll be around $2,000 a month. Anything over that is excess, and I can spend on just random stuff, you know what I mean? Once you get past that point, you don't even need more sales. So it's amazing like that. It's very easy to work with because you only need a certain amount of sales with it. And you get to that point, you'll just make that money every month. You know what I mean? Because it's recurring commissions. You get a certain amount of people in the system, you're good. All right, guys. So let's check our results here. We're going to refresh the page, see what happened. All right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is absolutely fine. 100% absolutely fine. That's something you just have to deal with when it comes to, marketing. You can't expect to get sales every single day, all the time, which is the beauty of this system because it's recurring. That means every sale is much more valuable. So valuable, right? One more thing, when people show you their results, make sure they refresh the page. Otherwise, they could be changing all these numbers around in bars. They can easily change all of this stuff. When they refresh the page, it'll show real results. So when you see that, I've been seeing still page images. I want to say that now. I've been seeing still page images of YouTubers and so on and so forth talking about how to make money and stuff. And it'd be crazy numbers. Don't believe that because it's easy to change these numbers around, especially with ClickBank, I think. They do that a lot. And the reason why I say this is because, you know what? This is how you know if you can trust somebody posting something how to make money. if they keep posting kind of similar things, if every video is essentially talking about one particular thing, you can trust them people most of the time. Those guys are actually making money doing that thing, right? But if every video, the next video, making money a completely different way, don't trust those guys, because they making money with YouTube, not necessarily with the techniques they trying to teach you. So pay attention to that. All right, so move on. We're gonna go to the mailing system. All we doing is going to the next video here, guys. I meant the next YouTube. I meant next email. I don't know what I meant. Sorry about that. Anyway, we just get the next video here. Email. We get the next email here, guys. And here, right here, you can copy here. Now we don't got the photos. I don't know what I do there, but you can just copy the words here. The photos are just access, you know. You don't really need them. But like, I just pause a little bit, copy that. Pause a little bit, copy that. Pause a little bit, copy that. You know what I mean? I can just go down like that. Pause a little bit, copy that. Pause a little bit, copy that. And it's just, yeah. Just copy that like that, right? I make sure all the link works. Make sure the link works. And the link that you want to use, by the way, guys, is you want to use this link here. The all-in-one digital business here. The reason why I use this business, this is the one I'm promoting. I think it's the most convincing page, and so on and so forth. And also, I wanted to mention something. Somebody asked me what does this promote? The $25 a month, the $25 a month, or the $125? It promotes both. Let me show you real quick here. Promotes both real quick. So we're gonna go to the page. I want to show y'all at the bottom here and show y'all what exactly it promotes here, so you can make money here. So basically, essentially, it's promoting the all-in-one digital business here, right? That way you pick.
And my first 3 days, I had 2 sales, and it was all while I was at work.
All right, pause that for a second. Sorry about that if it picked up. But anyway, you come down here, right, and you promoting the $25 all-in-one business here, so you get all of this stuff here, right? But it also promotes the 125 here sessions where you get training and so on and so forth, and all kinds of extra stuff. And this one's $125 per month, but they could get it for free for 2 weeks. You see that? And then I start paying $125 a month, which will get you $100 a month. So ultimately, you make $120 per month here if they buy everything from one person. That's absolutely insanity. That's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you understood that. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Hit perfect time. Perfect time it does. Send an email around time people check the emails, and that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure you hit preview. Make sure the link works and all that good stuff, and then you send it. And you're done, guys. That's all it takes every morning, about 5 minutes a day. Less than that, 2-3 minutes a day. Once you get all the emails in there, you just cluck in, load the email, boom, you're done. You're done for the day, and you make hundreds of dollars a month just off of that. That is a side hustle, guys, and you ain't even doing any work. Think about that. This is the least amount of work. This is the most amount of money with the least amount of work that I could find. And I think a lot of people need to start promoting this before people hop in, right? Because suddenly, you know, as customers, you get more customers, there's less customers for you to get. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying promote this. Make some money with me, guys. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The link's in the description, by the way. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.